whole thing. If you
One whole
want.
thing. Hi, friends.
Hi.
Here we is again.
Not even in the
sorry.
shot.
You're not even get your stuff in there.
So I was like, my big old basket. But I just have it to the side. So Blue Sky Fibers is having this amazing design contest. So we got
All the
some
yarn.
mini, what do they call them?
Mini Hanks is what they call them, but they're like mini
Mini
skeins.
Hanks. Oh, it's their wool stock
Yep.
mini sets.
Yeah.
So these darling little,
Bluesies.
yeah,
And greenies.
yeah.
Blue and greenies.
So these little hanks, and then, so you can make something and have a bunch of colors in it.
Yeah.
Instead of staff diving or whatever. And so yeah, we have so many.
So
I've
many.
winded some on the cards a little bit here. Then we got some
Big ones.
big ones of their wool stock. I actually have a bunch of big ones in
Look at us.
So we have so many, it's ridiculous.
So many. So they've got like this one is like all the warm pinky colors and like kind of like a fading sunset. I did a thing with them where I did leg warmers. So it was like I don't know, like a maker thing. And I created leg warmers out of them and they were so cute. It was like a sunset. I loved it. And so we're gonna kind of do something like that, not sunset like, but we're gonna create something with these, and this is the neutral bundle, which they're so pretty. I love it. It's like all the browns and the tans and the creams and the grays, and then you've got all the blues and greenies over here. Like
So pretty.
look at this green, it's so bright and fancy fun.
I just love it.
Fun and fancy free. Okay. So I'm gonna create like a little baby girl type thing. So I'm gonna do an adorable little bonnet and have like little splotches of color here and there. I'm not gonna tell you what the bonnet looks like. You can just see it later, but it'll have fun little splotches of color. And then I've also used to make something called snuggle rings. I kind of came up with it. It's like a little square of yarn, knitted yarn, and then it's connected to a teething ring so that they can so they can chew on it and they can snuggle it and whatever. It's super fun. And what are you gonna create?
I'm gonna start making a baby boy car seat blanket. So I am kind of like an anal car seat person because I don't know why. I think I nannied for a family that was really particular about, like they followed all the rules about the car seat.
Yeah.
And then I took classes and it was like,
Oh,
you don't put your
the
kids in
classes don't do
sweatshirts
it.
and you don't put a blanket behind them. So there's some car seat blankets where I'm like, you actually can't do that. I saw a bunch of patterns and I was like, you can't have the blanket go behind the harness and the baby in front of it. So you can't have anything. They can have a shirt and a light sweatshirt. Like they can't
Because
have
the
any
squish
bulk.
factor.
They will fly right out of the car seat. So what I did with my kids is I had a blanket that was kind of, I don't know if it was square, I'd fold it in half. I would tuck that underneath their feet because I already harnessed in. You can put stuff under their legs. They're not going to fly out of the harness.
Right.
And then fold it over their legs and then tuck it around them. So this will be a car seat blanket, a safe car seat blanket.
A safe car seat blanket.
So it'll probably be like 17 by 30, so you can like fold it over and tuck it around them. And not have this big bulky thing, just enough to keep them a little bit warm.
Yeah.
So it'll be mostly this is October Sky wool stock, and then stripe it with all these colors. How fun will that be? So
That'll
all
be
these
really
blues
fun.
and greens. This one looks really dark in the video, if we can get some light on there.
There you go.
It's like a forest green, maybe?
Yeah, forest green.
This is
Oh, this
more-
one too. This is almost like
Yeah.
not like a fern green or like an ivy green or holly green. It's
That's
super
really
dark.
pretty. And I do have another skein of this. I just made my husband a hat with these two colors. And I was going to show all of you, and I thought
He already took it and wore it.
he
What
took
the
it.
heck?
He took it.
What else are you gonna make?
I'm probably gonna make socks, but we're gonna wait and see how much
Right.
yarn these projects take up for her, what's left over. We might have a neutral sock. I'm hoping we can make
Just
a boy
one,
sock.
not a pair. Just one.
Should be fine. But if there's a lot left of something, we'll do some socks or leg warmers or
Yeah.
just something that'll be sweet. So a baby set.
A baby set.
Yeah.
But it's so fun.
And then we'll probably do a giveaway with what we made. So
It's like, no, not quite.
it's in the same
close.
family. Yeah, it's really pretty. So pretty. So yeah, that's our plan.
That's our plan, and we're excited.
Yes.
And we like blue sky, so this is fun.
Yeah. I really love this wool stock. It's very bouncy.
It is very bouncy. It's like, ooh, squishy,
Yeah.
squishy.
It's 2-ply. I really like that. The 2-ply.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. All right.
So
So that's it.
we'll come back at you with our with our projects.
It's like
We
confetti.
love yarn. We have so many projects on our plate right now. We just finished our moon scarf, which is in another video, so you're gonna have to watch that. And we finished a couple of projects. We finished our punch needle. And we're working on
Our knives out scarf. Should I just knives out scarf? I
You
won't show
should
you
give a
in-
sneak peek.
in
Don't
full,
unfold it.
But I have my knives out scarf finished.
I
She
started it. Way down here.
So if you haven't seen the movie, you should see it and let us know what you think. But this
Yeah.
scarf is from the movie.
Yes, Abby totally pointed it out and was like, "Oh my gosh, I love her scarf." And I was like, "I don't see her wearing a scarf." Because it was like right after she had taken it off and thrown it, and I was like, "I don't see anything."
No.
But then later on, I was like, "Oh my gosh, it's so pretty." So we're making a knives out scarf. So if you
Yes.
haven't seen that movie, it's super fun. You should go see it. Especially if you like whodunits.
Yes.
Those are the best.
Murder mystery.
But so this is our project, Knives Out's. Well, she's done my project, and then I don't know. We're coming up with
Scarf,
more as we
punch
go.
needle.
So when I say we have a lot of projects, we actually completed a lot, and then we have a couple more. But I'm sure more is on the way.
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be great.
We're
So,
always taking each other on Instagram of other interesting things to try.
true.
We like trying new things too.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you want to send us a package with something to try, we'll do it.
Yes,
We'll
we
just
totally
do it.
would.
Yeah.
Just for fun because we like it.
Even yarn reviews, send us some yarn. We'll do it. We'll work it out. So, all right.
Bye.
See ya.